Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, andito tayo sa East West Road, Amadeo, wherein we have a property na andito mismo sa highway. Meron tayo ditong mga commercial lots and meron tayong residential lots. So this one is actually near Tagaytay and near Amadeo Bayan, just around 10 minutes going to Amadeo Bayan, and going to Tagaytay is just around 15 to 20 minutes, no? So ayan, kung makikita nyo po, ito po yung aerial shot of the property. Ayan po yung going way to Tagaytay. And this property po is having development, which is yung concrete roads nya, drainages, and meron siyang mga 10 meters actually yung wide ng mga concrete roads. Then there will be a guardhouse, lines for electricity and water, perimeter fences. So ito po yung mga location ng commercial and residential lots. Ayan, as you can see. And ayan po, mag-i-start na po yan ang clearing, no? And